Check it out, Meadowlark Lemon, baby. It's way too hot. It's like 95 degrees. And the sun, it was blazing. It's kind of gone behind the mountain now. But, I mean, come on, let's be honest. By myself, the psych is wicked low. Wicked low. Just not feeling it. But anyways, it looks cool, as always. Pictures of this thing always look pretty sexual. So maybe one day. Maybe one day. It looks hard. It looks real hard. But whatever. This day has been kind of a...
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go.
Is this your first trad run?
No, I was born ready.
We made it. So here's the real base of the route now. It really starts up.
Close your eyes. Someone's been waiting for you. Just
Whoa.
You're almost there, Harms. You're so close. Don't leave me hanging.
just close your eyes.
3 pitches up on right toilet bowl crack or toilet crack. It's not so toilety. It's not even stinky up here. You know, the rock quality, people talk a lot of shit about Zion rock quality. It's not that bad.
Pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's a little sandy, but it's not that bad.
So tight.
There you go. Come on, Harms. You got it. You got it. Oh my goodness. Made it to the top. Very good view. This is exactly what we were looking for. Come on, Harms.
Why does it feel like my feet have gotten smaller?
Because your feet have gotten bigger. Harmy's gonna do the death screams. Yeah. Nice. 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 Oh, knee scum. Yeah. Nice. Good job, Harms. Look at all the green and the red. The colors are just amazing. It's a long way down. What, you untied? Why'd you untie? Harms, how's this view? Amazing. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. This is why you go multi-pitching in Zion. In Yosemite, they call it the Green Dragon. But I don't know what they call it in Zion. Oh my god, oh my god. This is like 30 degrees steep right here. Truck.
Someone's been waiting
Ow!
for you.
Ow! Ow! Did it go over?
Just close your
She's out. But it looks good, right? Look at this view.
Just close your eyes. This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world. Good world gone bad. Affairs. Half the people die while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world, good world gone bad.
Virgin Trading Post. Harmony's about to get her virgin on.
Yeah! 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 There ain't enough room for the both of us. This is my town.
Alright, you get in there. What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching till the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I had a fun time making this video. If you like this video, leave a like down below. If you want to see more of this content, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, get notifications when I upload new videos, and leave a comment if you just want to engage. Thanks a lot. Peace.